Really slow motion. Now, he was only acting. Let's give our actor a big round of applause to get to see him again in the next movie. Bye-bye! Can you tell me what is the largest flying bird in the world?
Largest what?
Not the ostrich, no. The...
Swan.
It starts with letter A and the last one is S, 9 letters. Sounds like albat.
We got the longest wingspan. Can reach around 1 feet. No. The albatross.
Albatross.
Okay. We're gonna fly now with DigiCast and his best friend.
Okay, so let's things back into the air. Let us all welcome our one and only. His name is Mighty Mambo. Keep your mouth closed because we never know what may drop down on you. Everybody, clap your hands to the music. Come on.
Oh, well done. We all know about the birds. They can copy some sounds, right? Let's see what he will tell you.
Mambo, would you like to say hello to everybody? Let's say hello. Say hello. Wow, one more. I can't.
Tom Cruise is going to play against Michael Jordan. Now, both of them are famous.
Let's go. 1, 2,
Boys,
and fire.
The action.
no worries. Equals. Now we're gonna do the final one, and it's gonna be the baby race. Okay, boys. Up. Again, equals. What a beautiful, lovely, friendly ending. Well, for myself, both DigiCast and our trainers, Saki, Verdi, Ian, and beautiful bird, we thank you for joining. Some of the kids might be scared. No need to hold in the hand. The bird will be in the perch and they can hold it from down there. To get all these beautiful pictures as a memory from the birds, you have to buy a ticket from the DigiPhoto next door. Come back again and meet the birds. Okay, birds, it's time to say goodbye to everyone. Tom, Jordan, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you, trainers, and thank you, Noah DJ Kai. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sing Open Show start.